welcome back to Baking with the Dusek family. This is my brother. I'm
Hello.
Isabel in Year 9 at Becky High, and we shall be baking cake. And because we're not a baking family, we get...
Step 1, buy one of these from Ikea.
Trust me, it's a delicious cake. And then, so you have to heat the oven to 175 degrees, and you have to add in 2 deciliters of water, just normal water. 1, 2, there we go.
Then you mix.
And then you mix until it's like creamy, buttery. We are pro at baking here, that's why we do ready-made, quick and easy cake recipes. Keeps us occupied during quarantine, keeps us entertained, it's good for morale, it's yummy. So why not do it? Go ahead and bake at home. You could do it with family like I'm doing. You can do it on FaceTime with your friends. It's very fun. There we go.
How can you cook on FaceTime?
I don't, Lexi, just carry on. And so here is our thing.
The mixture is smooth.
And then
Just give
you
it
pour it into the cake.
Are you making next week?
Next week I'm actually going to be making pizza because that's part of my food tech. So
You just dropped through the hole now.
it's fine. We are risk takers here. Yum, 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 and you can always lick the bowl because why not?
There's a massive...
But make sure you don't share the spoons or double lick, especially in these times. Health and safety. When you're done, you put it in the oven, which will be demonstrated by my brother.
If he doesn't explode the house again.
We don't talk about that. You see that? Yeah, exactly. Then you be very careful, it's very hot. Ta-da! And we shall be back. Oh, how long does it needs to be in the oven?
45 minutes.
45 minutes, so we'll be back in 45 minutes. We are back and our cake has now risen and we're ready to go. So I'm going to take it out of the oven. There we go. Look how beautifully it has risen. And then you take it out as so. Yeah, Lexi, that's okay. And then we put it on here.
And let it rest.
And when we've let it rest, we're going to put it on the plate and we shall send a picture of the finished product. Yay!